My father is about to do something very epic. I'm scared.
Ready?
I don't know if he's really gonna do it, but
Ready?
we'll
Can I
see.
get Deja, please?
I'm gonna do it.
Please, can I get Deja?
I'm gonna do it.
You better hurry up before my video camera go off. 9,
9,
8, duh.
8,
Come here.
7,
Six. I'm kind of scared right now.
5,
Just got to jump
4,
out there.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh! Is he serious? He cannot be serious.
You guys send me that video because I just.
No.
Oh my god.
Oh my
No. Taylor, why are you trying to say everything I say?
Because I want.
And he has nothing on his face right now.
Good job.
Yes, that is my daddy. This is totally going on Facebook.
Oh, you are so
And
an
he's
adult
just
right
like
now.
a little kid doing a snow angel.
I'm kind of scared right now. I don't know how he's going to get in the house.
Mr.
How you
David.
gonna like?
Go get a mat or something. So that was my daddy.
Here, go get a towel.
Where
David
is it?
Seward acting like a little kid again. I don't think he can get up.
gonna laugh
He's
if he
struggling. He's struggling a lot.
Do it again.
Wow!
Do it again. Mr. David, do it again.
Look at him struggling to get in. What a
Mr. David,
shame.
can you do that again? That was cool.
Deja, what do you think about that? Do you think he's a
Yeah.
nerd? Look at him. He's about to fall.
Do it again.
Didn't I tell you to go get a mat?
Stay right there.
Okay.
Come with me next.
Oh, I
I will. Oh my God, I totally will. Okay, say bye.
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 I want to go
Bye.
with you.
Bye.
I wanna go with
Okay,
you.
miss.